Welcome back, everyone. Today we're diving into 3 super useful keywords that let you control how loops run in C#, which are continue, break, and return. By the end of this session, you'll know 1. How and when to skip to the next loop iteration with continue. 2. How to exit a loop early with break. 3. How to exit not just the loop, but the entire method with return. Let's level up your loop game. Imagine you're the DJ with full playlist control on your music player. Continue is like skipping a track on your playlist. You drop the rest of the current song and jump straight to the next one. Break is like hitting stop on your music player. You end the entire playlist session. Return is like powering off the whole system. You not only stop the playlist, but shut down the music app entirely. Let's write some code to see the continue, break, and return statements in action. In this example, we'll print all odd numbers from 1 to 10. To print odd numbers from 1 to 10, we would need a for loop which starts at 1 and ends at 10. Then in the loop we use C#'s mod operator. It divides I by 2 and gives you the remainder. If I is even, that is 2, 4, 6, I mod 2 is 0. If I is odd, 1, 3, 5, 7, I mod 2 is 1. Next, we add a condition. If result is 0, which means I is even number, we use continue. This skips the current iteration and jumps to the next one. If the iteration is not skipped, meaning I is odd, we simply print its value to the console. Now, when I run the program, I see all the odd numbers printed to the console. Now let's see how a break statement works in a loop. We'll write code that stops as soon as the value of I is 5. Break exits the loop immediately, so anything after it in the loop body or further iterations won't run. Now, we'll check if I equals 5, and if it does, we'll put a break statement inside that if condition. If the value of I isn't 5, we simply print it to the console. Also, let's print the value of I when it equals 5. And lastly, just outside the for loop, let's write loop terminated by break. Execution continues from here. When I run the program, the console prints 1 through 5, then the loop stops. After the loop, the line outside the for block is displayed. The return statement, unlike the break statement, exits the entire method, not just the loop. If we replace the break statement with return and run the program, the final line, line 22, doesn't appear on the console. This shows that return not only exits the loop, but also exits the entire method. All 3 control statements we covered, continue, break, and return, can be used in any C# loop. Now you know how to skip iterations with continue, stop loops with break, and exit methods with return. Keep practicing, and you'll master loop control in no time. In the next video, we'll dive into examples of nested loops.